I have seen there are lots of videos available on internet where people are saying that the water is freezing instantly if they are just removing it from freeze, and that is still in liquid state, and just giving it a heat just like that, and the water is freezing instantly. It will really be amazing if the same thing happens with our own setup. Let's have a try. Now we will put it in a freezer for 2 to 3 hours. It may varies upon your freezer's capacity and ambient temperature, but make sure while removing it from freezer, it should still be in liquid state, that is 0 degree water. Guys, you should be gentle enough while removing it from freezer, cause any kind of wrong shake can lead it to unexpected freezing. This experiment will be more fruitful if you are at a lower ambient temperature, cause this moisture is just blocking the clear visibility. Watch this. This is still in liquid state. Now it's time to heat it on the surface. See, the chain reaction is gradually moving downwards, and that looks super crazy, and this is real. See, this is completely frozen now. Now, the reason why that trick works is because we are just super cooling the water to 0 degrees Celsius. But remember that we are removing the same at the very initial stage when the crystallization process is just about to start. And heating it on the surface makes the process way faster to align molecules for the chain reaction for crystallization process. This process is called nucleation. And to get such interesting stuffs, subscribe to this channel. Bye.